Hello Geminis, welcome to Tarot Destination. So let's see how your July month is going to be. We are going to check the energies through the tarot cards and we will just seek the angel guidance also for the July. So let's start the reading. So Gemini, let's start the July. We will see how your July month energy is going to be. So July month energy, when I will see, I will feel like you need guidance. You need to connect with the people. This card is talking about you have to connect with people. You have to develop your creativity. The whole month energy seems to be like you will collaborate with some people. You are going to work with many people. You have to show your skill, then only people will come forward to help you. So you have to show yourself. So your month energy seems to be like you are going to just express yourself, you are going to promote yourself during this month, and you have to, because anyhow we know the Mercury retro is happening. So the Gemini people, you have to be very active during this month, and you are going to get some good connections also to explore, to get in order to get more benefits. So I hope this is the energy of the month it is going to be, and it is going to be very beneficial for you. So the more you will connect with the people, the more benefit you are going to get. Some communication, nice communication you may receive, you may get some nice contacts also. So all that. So let's start what is going to happen in the July month for you. This is the guidance for the month of July. So we'll just proceed further. So for the Gemini, as we started the energy of the month, we had spoken about the communication, meeting with the people, showing your skills and all that. So when I'll just see what you can expect during the month. So during the month, it is like the first card is the dream. You may get someone known to you. You may work with someone known to you, or you might be planning to meet someone. You might be wishing to meet someone. So that is going to happen here, and your month is going to be wonderful. As we had already said in the beginning, some communication or some meeting or some new collaboration meeting, it is going to happen. So this the dream card, it is going to give you like that. So this is the Six of Cups with the Raider weight, and here in the Osho Zen, this is talking about dreams. So something you must be wishing for, you must be planning to do something old, something the which is going to happen, or something to someone with whom you are going to meet. You must be knowing that person, and after a long time you are going to meet, or you are going to relish those energies, relish those times. So this is the first card. Let's move to the second card of the month, projections. So this is talking about during the month you may feel distracted, you are going to get a lot of options, or you may have lot of work to do which you are not able to decide which one to go, because as we have already said, a lot of communication is going to happen during the month, and you are going to meet, or you are going to get something known to you, something you are wishing for. So a lot of good ideas will start coming. You might be start overwhelming, okay, what is to be done, what nice you can do. So such kind of thoughts may come, and you may start manipulating the situation also. This is the another the negative side I am seeing for yourself, the Gemini. So try to get the clear picture. Do not manipulate yourself, or do not uh, get manipulated by others. So this is the two possibility I am seeing during the month. So make sure you are seeing the correct face only, because can you see here the other face, and here the actually the person is different. So you have to find out that care also. It is the card is just talking to you. You need to be little careful when you are meeting with the people, when you are connecting with the people. It may feel quite beneficial, but it may go wrong also. So you have to be little, you have to pay little care in order to get the good result. And the next card, when you'll move, it's a very wonderful card, the flowering. Can you see the lot of colorful, the lotus is there, the nice water is there, the greenery is there. So this card is talking about something major, something good you are going to get, lot of confidence you are going to get, and you are going to enjoy the time, the overall month. If I'll say, when I say you are going to get the new connections which is going to be good for you. So this is the final result what I feel. You are going to make a good money also. You are going to get a lot of confidence also in your life. So you are going to become like a leader kind of thing. The fiery energy I am seeing here, and you will be promoted like that. You might feel like that from the inside, quite motivated during the month. So, if you'll take little care while meeting with the people, while doing any new proposal, while even in your relationship or in career, and then you are going to get good stuff in your life. You are going to create good amount of money. I guess this month is talking about some good relationship and the money. So, relationship and the financial position both are going to improve by connecting with the people. And you have to little negativity also you may face during the month, but you have to accept that. If any mistakes are happening, you have to accept your mistakes. Again, if I'll just connect the guide, angel guidance, the acceptance here, the card is giving, the angel guidance is coming. What I feel, might be you might have misbehaved with someone, and you are trying to get the you are having regret of that, and you are just trying to get the relief from that the pain. So this is what earlier I said, you are going to relish the old memories, but it could be you have to accept that your old mistake, and you have to ask forgiveness from this person, and then the slowly you are going to improve. Because this is also the some little part, it is just indicating me such kind of scenario may come. But yes, this is something old you are going to relish, either negative or positive, I exactly don't know. But the angel guidance, when I'll mix, I feel like something wrong has happened in past, and you have to accept that. You have to accept your mistake, and you have to relish your old time. So someone old you may meet, and you may get the old feelings again. So please accept your mistake, and please embrace that person in your life, embrace that situation in your life. Why? Because you cannot lose this flowering, this abundance in your life. So this is the whole July month, what I feel, how it is going to be for the Geminis. But overall, when I'll see, I feel yes, accept your mistakes, be flexible, be cool, just go ahead, and the month is going to be quite good for you. Could be you may meet your ex if you are expecting, because this is what the six of cups, the dream card, is talking about. But yes, try to control on your attitude also, because there is possibility your ex or the other people, as I had already discussed, they may manipulate their situation to take advantage. So you have to be very very careful on that. So I hope the reading has resonates with you. If so, please let us know, and just enjoy the July month, Geminis. Bye bye.